In this Playwright tutorial, I will talk about how to create multiple browser sessions, and I will discuss about how to work with multiple tabs or pages. So let's go to the VS Code and quickly create a spec file. So before creating a spec file, here I will create a one folder called chapter 4. Under chapter 4, I am creating a spec file called 01, and here I'll add the spec file name as browser context test.spec.ts. That's it. And here I will go to the one of the spec file and I will copy the test. So that's it. And I'll paste it inside the new spec file now. So this test is very simple. So let me rename the test title first. So here I'll say multiple browsers / tabs in Playwright TypeScript. So that's it, guys. So this flow is very simple. So simply we are going to the google.com and then we are searching with the keywords. Then we are clicking on the playlist and we are validating the title of the web page, right? So if I run this test, right, so it opens the one browser session by using the page. And if you see here, so it has opened a single browser session currently. And if you see here, our test is perfectly working fine, right? Now let's see how you can create the fresh browser session apart from the already opening browser session by using the page. So to create a new browser session, how we are getting the page here, similar way you need to get the browser context here. Simply type the browser. So by using the browser context, you can create a new browser session. So it is very easy. By using the browser context, you can create the new browser session. So let's write the await followed by browser dot new context. So firstly you need to create the context. Then I will assign back to the constant variable called context 2. Now for creating the new page or a new tab, so I will use the context await context 2 dot new page here. So simply call to the new page method here, and this will give you a page reference. Then I will store that into the constant variable called page 2. So that's it. So how we got the sorry, how we are getting the page here, right, at the test level by default. In the similar way, we have created the page 2. Now by using this page 2, I can open the, or I can navigate to the URL, how we have done it in the line number 7, and I can perform the all these actions. Only I need to use the page 2 instead of page here. So let me copy the whole use case here, what we have automated earlier. And here I will replace the only page with the page 2. So I'll copy this page 2 and I'll replace with the page 2. So wherever we have a page, I'm replacing that with the page 2. So that's it, guys. So let me format this code and I will save it and we will run this code. So this time it has to open the two browser sessions. First one is by using the page and second one is by using the page to or by using the browser. So let's run the test. So firstly, by using the page, test is running, and if you see here, so this is the second browser it has opened it, right? By using the browser context, what we have created a new browser session, right? If you go to the VS Code and our test is perfectly working fine, right? So this is how you can create the new browser session. Now let's say I want to create the another web page. If you look at this, so we will create another tab here. You can create n number of sessions like this, how we have created by using the browser context. You can create n number of new browser sessions by using the browser context. Depends on your need or depends on your test case. Now let's see how you can create a new tab. So we have already opened this browser and here I want to create we have created one page here or one tab here. Similar way we can create another tab like this. So we will create another tab like this and here we will simply enter some URL. So here what I will do is, so I will copy the line number 22 and here I'll say create new tab. Then I will add the code here. Only thing is here I will update this reference variable name. So here I'll say new tab. That's it. By using this new tab reference, I can perform the actions. How we have created new tab like this. So here I can enter the URL or here I can, after entering the URL, I can perform any actions like this. Okay. So here once again, I will copy this just 3 lines of code. In the new tab also, we will navigate to the google.com and we will search with the just keywords. So here I will use our new tab reference. By using that reference, first I will go to the google.com and here just we are searching with the keywords. We are not clicking on the playlist also. So I'm just keeping as simple as that. So I will use this reference for the rest of the things. So that's it, guys. So this is where we are creating a new tab. So let's run this test. It has to, with the first page, by using this page, so it will open the one browser and it enters the google.com and it searches with some keywords and it goes to the playlist and it verifies the page title. And then here we are creating a new browser session and we are performing some actions. And in the new browser itself, I want to create another tab. So here I'm creating a new tab here by using the just new page and I'm assigning back to the another reference. By using the new reference, I am just navigating to this URL and I'm searching with the keywords. So it is very simple scenario what we are running it. So let's run the test. So this is the first browser session and now it has opened the second browser session. And if you see here, so it has opened the second tab here in the second browser session. And here just we are searching with the keywords. And if you see the first tab and here we are completely running one flow. So after searching with the keywords, we are clicking on the playlist and we are going inside the playlist and here we are validating the page title. but in the new tab, we are not doing that activity, right? So this is how you can work with the multiple browser sessions or a multiple tabs in the Playwright automation testing.